you get your mittens going Oliver Twist. No Charles Dickens getting lifted, so I'm high as a bitch. So now you witness the real king about to go get a ring. No LeBron bitch it, I'ma rip it, lick it, twist it. Only happy if the pit flit, you don't like it, time to bitch. Just leave the hating for the bitches, spit it vicious. It's a sickness when I'm gone, I bet you'll miss this. Young ambitious, causing mischief to this game. I feel like Christmas, these hoes, I ho, call me Santa Claus, cause I go.
What's going on, guys? This is Advanced Glitches here, and I'm going to be showing you a brand new Under the Staircase by BT3R. But anyways, you're going to want to come to the staircase and line yourself up with the line on the garbage bag of the sack. You're going to want to down yourself. You will need 3 afterlives for this, and then when you do down yourself and revive yourself, you will fall down the staircase, and then come to this place again where on the first shadow and try get in the very middle of it. And I just kill a zombie first, and then I'm just gonna wait until I get a grenade, because I did run out of grenades and the round did not end yet, so I need to wait for the next round to get another grenade, and I just got one. So you down yourself again, and you have to revive yourself from under the staircase, and then it throws you down the staircase again. Come back up, do the same thing again, and then after like 3 times or 2 times of doing this, you will just fall right under.